Hi and welcome to this tutorial where I'll teach you how you can hide your Messenger story from a specific person. First off, we want to open up the Messenger app, and from here we want to tap on our profile icon in the top left corner next to chats. Okay, from here you want to scroll down until you see the option privacy and safety. Just click on it. And now we want to navigate to the very last option, which says story controls. You should be able to see this option right here, which says hide story from. Just tap on it. And here you can select the people you wish to hide your Messenger stories from. So just tap on them and you can click apply. And then after that, just click save. Save. And you should be good to go. Now these people will not see your Messenger stories. Okay, thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub if this helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.